When I stepped inside the Indus University, it gave me the feel of taking my first step towards my career and my dream life. When I entered the reception area, I met the head of the architecture department. She accompanied me to visit the design studio. Further, she gave me the details about the architecture course at the university. She also shared the various expert lectures and also the industry exposure that we get through the site visits. The swift admission process and the interaction was an assuring experience that my future is in greater hands and the opportunities that I will receive here will pave a better pathway for my career.